Hello and welcome to a short video. This cassette is in the worst condition I've ever seen a cassette. I've even seen cassettes which the tape has broken and it's still better than this. So this was in one of the haul videos I've recently done, and yesterday I got around to putting it into a player with the intention of playing it and seeing what's on it. And it was part way through the side, so I rewound it all the way to the beginning of the side, all the way to the end, and then all the way back to the beginning to free it up, make sure it's packed on the spool nicely. But I noticed it was making the sound as it was rewinding and going forwards and backwards was not consistent, so it wasn't winding at a consistent speed. So I thought I'd take a look at the tape and I'll show you what I found. So that's the leader at the beginning of side B. You can see it's not looking so good already. And that is what the tape has happened to the tape. It looks like it's been stretched and mangled beyond all recognition. Should have done this in 4K really. Let me zoom in. Look how bad that is. Needless to say, I'm glad I spotted this before I played it, because it cannot make my decks any better. I wonder whether it might have done some damage or got caught around the pinch roll and what have you. But it's just completely awful. And unfortunately with the cassette tapes, there's no, in England anyway, there's no way to recycle these. I've looked it up, and the only thing you can do is put them in the bin. It doesn't matter how far I go through this, I think the tape is just in a completely terrible quality. So anyway, I don't even think it's the right cassette for the box. This doesn't look quite as old as this does. I don't think it's the right cassette. It's another thing that worried me. It's a C120, which are notoriously not as good as the shorter tapes. Anyway, unfortunately, this one's going in the bin. Even the box is a bit damaged, so there's no saving this one. This one's going to landfill. And don't forget, I'm getting very close to my goal of 1,000 subscribers, so thank you very much to all of you, and 4,000 hours watch time. So if you wouldn't mind, have a look at the video suggestions that are on the screen now and maybe click and watch another one. Thanks a lot. Bye.